Hello beautiful people. I mean, I'm going like this all so you can see like the glow on my shoulders, you know, on the neck, on the face. I'm so extra, I don't know why. Okay, so today I have on this really like bold, fun, editorial look, but with glowy skin, you know, soft, gentle. I like it. The whole look was inspired by this lipstick by Hanker Henry. It's their lip aesthetic in Emote. That's how I call it anyways. That's how I pronounce it. Hopefully that's how I pronounce it. Anyways, yeah, this whole look was inspired by this little beauty right here. And take a moment. I love it. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, you know, it looks scary to wear, but it's actually really nice. Okay, if it was sunny outside, oh, the shops weren't closed by now, I'll probably go outside so everybody can see this, because this is like, you know, Vogue shit. Like, I'm about to be hired by Vogue. Anyways, I'm just doing stupid rumbling. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and I'll see you in like 3 seconds. Okay, so for this look I'm gonna be using mostly the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place because it's a stable. Okay, it has every color you need. So I'm gonna start off by packing the pink, which is this one right here, all over the lid and into my crease. Just packing the color on first, and then I'll blend that out with a yellow and an orange shade, I believe. Alright, and then I'll go in with the yellow with that same brush, but I'm just wiping off the product, and yellow from the same palette and pressing that right on top of the pink. That same brush, I'm gonna go in with the orange shade right in between the pink and the purple. Alright, so I'm gonna go with fluffy brushes and just blend pink, purple, pink, orange and yellow. And then I'm gonna use my Stargazer Neon Eye Dust in 208. And I'll press that all over the lids. Also using the eye dust in 203, which is an orange one, and I'll dust that right on top of the pink. Just right, just like a little bit, and just go woof, woof, woof. You know, just to make it a bit more vibrant. So I'm going to use my Silver Beauty Hydra liner in Acid Trip, which is a bright neon orange. I use a lot of Silver Beauty Hydra liners because I love the liners. Okay, I love them. Okay, see me, I love them. So almost every look you'll see me wear an eyeliner of theirs. Okay, I'm going to spray some water into that, and then I will line my eyes very soon. You guys will see what this look it was inspired by. Very soon I'll show you guys. Just hold on. So I'm going to use my Excitement Body Lashes in the style Rude. I'll be right back. Okay, so while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna start prepping my skin. I'm gonna be doing a very lightweight but yet full coverage. I mean, obviously everybody's going full coverage when I'm applying it, but I want it to be lightweight, very, you know, glowy, illuminating. Like, you know, those editorial shirts where, you know, the model, their skin is like skin but improved with such a beautiful glow. That's what I'm trying to do. Never done it before though, but that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start off by putting my under adhesive face primer, which basically, as I said, is like a moisturizer, but I love this thing. Okay, it moisturizes my skin extra, as if I haven't add enough moisture on my skin, but it just gives me that extra hydration. And then next, for extra, you know, prepping, extra trying to get the skin looking good, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser around my T-zone, just to make the skin as smooth and flawless as we can before we put on foundations and whatnot. Personally, I don't like this. I like it because it fills in my pore, but I hate the texture of it. Silicone, I don't like silicone. So by my T-zone, forehead area and my nose, just anywhere that has pores breathing through, put it on. This is the shittiest eyelash application, but that's fine. Oh guys, look at this. It actually erased my pores so much. Wait, let me zoom in a little bit. I mean, I still have a little bit of pores left, but it's not as much as before. Maybe I'll use it more often. Next, we're gonna use our Afternoon London illumination drops in Glow Suited, and I'll put that all over the face. As I said, we are going for very glowy skin, very enriched with glow skin. Do you guys see how glowy my skin looks? Amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my chest as well because it's so nice. So I'm gonna just pull this little hair back. I'm gonna put little droplets on my shoulder bones, collarbones, just so I can look like I'm about to Vogue. Okay, let me zoom you in a little bit so we can do the foundation. And you know, my favorite as well, favorite at the moment, the 24-hour full coverage foundation by Maybelline. It's lightweight, it's full coverage, so it's gonna give me skin like finish, hopefully. I'm not gonna put too much on, just a little bit of foundation, not too much today. And my nip and foundation darkener, because I think either I suck at matching my foundations or they just don't have my foundation shade. Oh, this is the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Foundation. No. Concealer in C13 and C12. Right on top of that. Like, bam. Oop. 50. And voila. Next. Okay, I'm gonna set my other eye with my Benda eyeliner powder very lightly. That was very loud. I don't know why I was that loud. I'm going to set my face with my Black Opal face powder in 600 dark. I believe it's like finish. See that much outside the rest of my face because we're doing very light setting today. Excuse this like this is like literal lip tint. But we don't care. And then for my blush, I want like very intense brush to go with this. So I'm gonna start off with using these two brushes here for my e.l.f. blush palette. You know. And I'm gonna put a lot of blush just in case you're wondering. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the highlighting to the last step, which means we're going back to the eyes again. One more time, baby, give me one more. So I'm gonna put all the colors that I put on my crease under my lash line as well. So I'm gonna put the yellow at the bottom with an orange and the pink right on the tight line. Okay, so that was my Stargazer eyeshadow. Wow, no, rewind, Jace, rewind. That was my makeup addiction highlight in Snow Gold all over the body. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my, what is this called? Sazera, I think that's what I call it. 24 karat gold infused highlighting powder in Midas Touch. And maybe I'm also gonna go in with this one as well. It's the same, by the same brand, Sazera, and this one is in Rose Locks. Okay, so this is the new Hank & Henry lip aesthetic in Emote. Is that how you spell it? Pronounce it? Emote, I don't know. It's a bright, beautiful orange. Instead, I got it in the post, right? And I was like, instantly, I need to do something that's like edgy, editorial, fun, glowy skin, bold lips. So this right here, this is the inspo. It is beautiful. Okay, so I'm doing little freckles of orange on my body. I'll put on my face once I've taken a little bit of photos, and I'll put some white eyeliner as my mascara for my lower lashes. And this one is the Silver Beauty Hydra liner in Space Panda. Alright guys, so this is it for the finished look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.